Oftentimes, when you hear people say you don't have friends at the place of work, a lot of people think maybe they are just talking or they just want audience on the social media. My dear, you don't have friends. You don't even have a friend at your place of work. If you are into business, those set of people in the same business cycle as you are or you are in are not your friends. Yeah, you all are all chasing one goal, just like footballers in the football pitch, all chasing the ball. Most especially those of us that live here in the UK. My name is Uju. I live here in the UK with my family, and if this is your first time of seeing my face, you're welcome to this beautiful family. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video to everyone you think will need this video, will need to hear what I will say today. So a lot of things are happening in the UK that we begin to wonder what this world is actually turning into. But then it's no one's fault, because in the UK, as people will say, the UK is a hustling ground. Everyone is trying to make it. So when you come to the UK as a Nigerian or as a migrant, so to say, a Ghanaian or from anywhere, when you come to the UK, the best thing you do when you're working, because it's an opportunity, it's actually a grace, like it's actually a great opportunity for you to be working in the UK, because a lot of people are here in the UK and they're not working. That's a story for another day. So if you find yourself working in the UK, the best thing to do is to marry yourself and your family and your God. If you have any wins, if you have anything, if you have any trouble, once you relate it to the management, you have any need for deliberation, you come back home. If you're a Christian, you go to your God. If you're a Muslim, or if whatever religion you practice, go back and meditate. Let it be between you, your family, and yourself. If you have any training, the company wants to sponsor you, and say the company wants to sponsor you to further your education. Yeah, it happens in the UK. Yeah, a lot of people, the companies are actually sponsoring them. Say you want to become a nurse and you're a carer, the company can actually sponsor you to become a nurse. My dear, if you have that opportunity, do not disclose it to anyone. Do not disclose it to that person you think is your friend at your workplace. We're not talking about friends outside. We're talking about friends in the workplace. A lot of people have missed opportunities in this UK. A lot. Recently, there was an issue that someone actually shared with me. Someone actually disclosed to her best friend that the company was going to sponsor her to get to sponsor her through what we call apprenticeship, so she can become a registered professional in the UK. And then she disclosed it to a friend of hers, and then the friend went and blackmailed her, and she missed the opportunity. Now, who do you think is to blame? For me, I don't know. Well, it's a very sad experience, but I don't think in this present age people should be having besties at the place of work. You should have certain things you reserve to yourself. Yes, I know sometimes situation can push you and you want to air yourself and you want opinion from people. You just want people to give you advice, so you can get relieved, and sometimes you just want experience. But then, yes, I'm not saying you shouldn't share your experience with someone you think is close to you. Good. But then if you're sharing your experience, don't share it explicitly. You know what I mean? You try to keep some. Yeah, if you have any good news, try to keep some. Say for example, you want to buy a car, and you know that colleague of yours doesn't have a car. Don't say it. Don't say it. That does not mean you should lie. I believe you know that friend of yours, and I believe also you know where we are living. We are here in the UK, where everyone is actually struggling to get that goal, which is get the pounds. So my dear, if you're watching this video, please don't let it happen to you. I know back then in Africa, we have friends at the place of work. We make friends. Our friends are like our family. They even come to our home. They share things. We share things in common. We just, we meet people at the place of work, and they become like family. But that's like Nigeria, where we're coming from. But this place, the UK, is a different ground. Every man is on his own. Yes, when you get your COS, the company has promised to give you COS, like certificate of sponsorship, which everyone knows now is gold, a paper gold in this country. Keep it to yourself. You're going for ILR, you want to get your ILR. You can share with people, but then that colleague of yours or that friend of yours you know are in the same business in the UK, please don't do that. A lot of people are actually, doing things to people, and people are missing opportunities. So I urge you all, if you find yourself in the UK, no say what you not tell you. Please do not disclose everything to that friend. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I'm sure you really enjoyed my video and you find value. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Hiya.